everyone, today I'm going to show you one of my favorite recipes. I make this recipe so often and I've started to call it the Riviera Salad because I imagine myself sitting poolside in the south of France. I have this lovely meal in front of me, perhaps a glass of Prosecco, there's a slight breeze blowing, I'm in the sunshine. So I want you to think of all those feelings when we're making this salad, so come on, let me show you what I'm talking about. The salad that we're building is in 3 layers, and the first layer is roasted potatoes. So I'm going to put some olive oil on a baking sheet. Peeled and sliced a potato. I'm just going to roll them around in the olive oil. Make sure they get coated. I'm going to sprinkle with some salt, some freshly cracked black pepper. And now these are going to go in the oven at 385. These are going to take longer than the salmon that we're cooking, so these are going in first. Now here's where you get to be creative. The top layer of this salad is variable. You can use different protein sources. Today we're using this beautiful wild-caught salmon. I prepared it the same way I did the potatoes. I rubbed in some olive oil, I sprinkled on some salt and pepper. I've made this salad with grilled shrimp on top. I've used crab cakes. I've made it with breaded chicken cutlet or veal Milanese. This is where you get to be creative and have fun. You can top it with any Mediterranean diet-friendly protein source. And now it's time to make the vinaigrette. In this bowl, I've combined some freshly cracked black pepper, some salt, oregano, basil, parsley, and some hot red pepper flakes. Well, the hot red pepper flakes are optional. I like them in my salad dressing. In this jar, I have a combination of white wine vinegar, extra virgin olive oil, and a little splash of water. I'm going to take all of our spices, mix them up, put them in, and now we're going to shake it up. For the salad, I've combined some baby arugula and some red leaf lettuce. And to that, I'm going to add some tomato slices, some cucumber, and some onion. And then I'm going to top it with the vinaigrette. Now you want to make sure you use a vinaigrette for this salad, not something creamy. It just works better. Let's give it a toss. Now let's build our salad. The first layer is the roasted potatoes. To that we're going to add our salad with the vinaigrette on top. And now we put our salmon right on top. And there you have it, my Riviera salad. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you try my Riviera salad in its many variations, and I will see you next time. Bye.